Hello knowledge seekers, welcome back to Knowledge is Power. Today we'll break down wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves in India. Stay tuned. Let's start with wildlife sanctuaries. They protect specific species of animals or birds. It's about giving wildlife a safe habitat. Some human activities like grazing or tourism are allowed. Boundaries can be adjusted when necessary. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala protects elephants and tigers. Let's talk about national parks. These are more strictly protected than wildlife sanctuaries. The goal is to conserve entire ecosystems, including animals and their habitats. No human activities like grazing or resource collection are allowed. Tourism is strictly controlled. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest in India, home to the Bengal tiger. Remember, you're in a highly protected environment. Section 3. Biosphere Reserve. Lastly, we have biosphere reserves. These areas conserve biodiversity while allowing sustainable human activities. Think of them as zones of nature conservation and human coexistence. Each reserve has 3 zones: core, buffer, and transition. The core zone is fully protected with no human activity. The buffer zone allows research, education, and ecotourism. The transition zone supports sustainable resource management by local communities. Recognized by UNESCO, these reserves are part of a global conservation effort. The Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is a prime example, home to tigers, elephants, and diverse flora and fauna. Section 4. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap. Wildlife sanctuaries protect specific species. National parks conserve entire ecosystems with no human interference. Biosphere reserves balance conservation and sustainable resource use. These areas safeguard India's biodiversity from tigers to elephants. Closing, call to action. So, the next time you hear about these places, you'll know exactly what they mean and how they contribute to conservation in India. Subscribe to Knowledge is Power for more educational content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.